Hi guys. So today we'll be taking a look at how you can add your own play character into the project. Um, so if you move over to the Sandbox and then Blueprints, you'll find a AIS player character. So within this blueprint, you'll notice that it's based on the third person player character, except with a physics scene, a component, as well as a physics handle. And additionally, there's this area which goes ahead and initializes the component, and the component talks to the player to the player controller, and then you have this reset camera area, which is when this player character is possessed, the camera is aligned accordingly when you're going in and out of vehicles. So if we go ahead and create a new player character, so it's just a matter of doing a blueprint class and then a player character. So we've gone ahead and created one. We've added the skeleton mesh, we've added the animation, just done the orientation quickly, and added a spring arm and camera. So to begin with, we'll move over to the previous, just copy over the generic stuff. We'll also add a, I think it's physics, so you want the physics handle, you want a component, the AIS component, and then you also want to add a scene to the camera, which is actually where it's kind of like the pivot of where you pick up items and drop items, I guess. So when you apply the drop, it drops from you and hits the ground. I mean, you can put this wherever you feel necessary. And then additionally, we will copy over this area code or blueprint script. Reset camera, do nothing for now. And then what we'll do is create, let's have a look at the differences. So we need to add, so this needs to refresh, and I think that's it. So for this bit then, we'll just push this to the side. So we need to add the physics handle to go into the physics handle. Then we got the physics scene, which is this scene, our pivot. Then we got the follow camera, which is the camera. Then we got our reference to ourselves, and then we've also got the play state. So I'm going to leave. Sorry, I can't leave my OCD get the better of me. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So if we save that, so we got to put a reference to the actual component itself as well. Delete that. Compile the blueprint and success. So that's pretty much it. You do have to populate the parameters of the physics handle, so you can just basically align this out, right? Okay. So it's just the edit of the 10 reference for interpolation speed, and that is it. And that's essentially how you move one over to a new character. So it's just a matter of adding your physics handle, applying a scene, and initializing the component. So then for this project specifically, you got to go over to the game mode, and then if you change your default pawn, play state, play controller, what are you? Default pawn class, sorry. And then where is it? New blueprint in this case. Save, start. We got those start points, and there we go. So the camera's a bit broken because we didn't set it up, but yeah, that's the fundamentals of adding your new a new character. So does it? Okay. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So with the trace line, it doesn't ignore pawn. So in this case, when we're pressing E, we're actually hitting our bottom in this case. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So any questions, any comments, criticisms, let us know in the comments.